Oh, can I get your reaction for this activity this afternoon here at PTRI from Visayas region ay nagpunta po kayo dito but a fruitful collaboration.
Yeah, we're so grateful with the UST, with the leadership of our secretary and the undersecretary for coming up with this collaboration and this meeting. Kanina po very fruitful at saka ever since the US is very helpful to us, including the drying facility for our banig weavers and yung pag-standardize ng mga colors ng aming banig. So we're so grateful and we're also looking forward for more collaboration with the UST. Thank you.
Yung kanina po with your meeting with the Philippine Consul in San Francisco, what will be the collaboration po? Yung mga product niyo po ba ay ma-showcase na natin sa US?
We're hoping and we're still having a series of meetings with them for the preparation doon sa pagpunta po sa San Francisco para madala po natin yung mga local products together with our secret kitchens of Samar, food and delicacies, isasama po namin.
Thank you so much, Gob.
Thank you po.